I'm going to share with you some ideas that we felt made our kitchen more functional and enjoyable. So I'm going to start at the edge of the island here and open up. Here you have a Mixmaster workstation. This mechanical apparatus here, it just pulls up, makes it real simple to lift. It locks into place and you can utilize it to release, pretty straightforward, using one hand here. And then it just self-lowers down. That's an ingenious idea, no heavy lifting required, and it's out of the way, out of sight, out of mind. Next, we did a 10-foot island here, which is great on multi-levels, obviously for entertaining. If you are pickling, if you're prepping anything, it's an awesome workspace. I can't say enough. I'm really glad that we didn't put an additional sink or anything that would have split this island up. Coming out here, we've got a pull-out plates drawer with dividers. We really like this idea. As our little guy gets older, he can help us set the table, and that is something that just makes it a part of the family meals that we do. We also elected, as opposed to a microwave oven, we went with like a speed oven, which is sort of like a small toaster oven. So it heats up a lot quicker, and we still use our traditional oven quite a bit, but we thought that that was a good investment. Coming over to the sink area here, you can see we've got a pots and pans scrubber drawer. Nothing out of the ordinary, but I'm sure that you've seen them before, but it just keeps everything out of sight, out of mind. It keeps it clean and tidy. We elected for our sink to go with a non-divider, just if you're prepping for meals, if you've got large items that you're having to clean up afterwards. We just felt it made it a lot more functional. We also elected to go with a soap dispenser and a garburator, even though we do compost quite a bit. Coming over into the corner here for your Lazy Susan, we had gone with pullouts. Makes everything just so much more functional. You're not having to reach into the back. Great use of space. We really feel that that was a valuable upgrade. And then we have two pullouts here, one for spices. And then we did another one that is for your oils and vinegars. And right in between the cook station there, we elected to go with an induction cooktop. I highly encourage it. We did rough in for a gas line if we chose to go that route in the future, but it is our second induction cooktop, and we absolutely love it. And then rounding out, we went with a pot filler. I know it's only a few feet away from the kitchen tap, but I can't share enough with you how much I enjoy it, and my wife was a little skeptical at first, but she sure has come to appreciate it as well. So those are my ideas on things that we chose to upgrade on to make our kitchen that much more functional.